Omnimon has gone from his base form to an actual breathing god. Tonight, we're gonna draw the strongest Digimon that has ever lived. One that has evolved into a pure-hearted entity. Omnimon Merciful mode. The true hero of Digimon Adventure Tri. Alexa, play Butterfly, Digimon Tri.
Butterfly, Digimon Tri by Omnimon on Amazon Music.
ステージ化したイメージだらけの頼りない翼でもきっと飛べるせ Oh my love キャンのショーになってきらめく風になって今すぐ君にやりに行こう余計なことなって忘れたこじゃましさ俺にそうしゃれてる時間はない何がもうこの空に届くのバロンだけど明日の予定もわからない無限大な夢の後の何もない思いも負けそうな気になるけどページがしたイメージだらけの頼りない翼でもきっと飛べるぜ Oh my love 受けた勝利になって真すら風になってどこまでも君にやりに行こう曖昧な言葉で光に涙って叫んでるきっと時計が何がこの街広がるだけど抱きしめても仕方ない無限大な夢の後の私と次明日も悪くはないからステージ上の
I'm fine. Here's his chest. Omnimon Merciful is the ultimate fusion merged with all the Digimon that were partners with the Digidestined. He was fused with Vikemon, Rosemon, Phoenixmon, Hercules Kabuterimon, Seraphimon, and Magnadramon. See in Omnimon's new form? It was one of the strongest things I've ever seen. And one of the top moments on Digimon history. I get that one day we'll see Omnimon Merciful mode once again. One of these days. Real soon. That's a promise. Alexa, play Journey to Your Heart.
Here's Journey to Your Heart, theme from Pokemon Master Journeys by Pokemon Ed Goldfarb and Haven Paschal.
Now we draw the Crest of Courage. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play Chozetsu Dynamic Orchestral Mix.
Chozetsu Dynamic Dragon Ball Super Opening Orchestral Mix by Vitek featuring Tsukino on Amazon Music.
The
creators of Digimon have also created one of my favorite television series, Dragon Ball Super. Alexa, what does it mean to be merciful?
As an adjective, marble can have a few meanings. 1. Consisting or made of marble. 2. Like marble, as in
Anyways,
coldness,
much like the original
smoothness,
Omnimon,
etc.
Omnimon
3.
Merciful mode has
Lacking warmth, compassion, or sympathy. 4.
the helmets
A
of
variegated or mottled color.
War Greymon and Metal Garurumon as arms. Of course, I consider this one to be one of the strongest Digimon and one of my favorite ones of all time. Alexa, what is merciful?
Marsupials are the main part of an infraclass of mammals called the Metatheria.
Merciful.
This consists of the marsupials and their extinct ancestors. There are about 320 different species.
Alexa, what is merciful?
The adjective merciful is usually defined as full of mercy, characterized by, expressing, or showing mercy, compassionate or kindly forbearance shown toward an offender, an enemy, or other person in one's power, compassion, pity, or benevolence.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Let's dynamic, let's go, go. 何パニック負けると強くなる。すげえことが待ってるんだぜ。いつか途切れた夢の続き始めよう。星をつなげて空に飛び出かけばいい。
I'll never forget all the good battles, those great fights. The one with Lord Beerus and Super Saiyan God Goku. That fight against Golden Frieza and Super Saiyan Blue Goku. Kaioken, Super Saiyan, God Super Saiyan Goku against Hit. Super Saiyan Blue Vegito against Merge Zamasu. And last but not least, the Tournament of Power. Those battles were the best. And speaking of that, Digimon also had its own series of battles as well, including the greatest one of all time, the Digimon Adventure Tri-Series. We got the upper part done. Now we draw the legs.